Hi there, this is Gia. This is part 4 of our video. In our assignment element, the high priority case, we need to be able to dynamically pull the record ID and the queue ID. And in order to do so, as they appear here, in order to do so, we're going to use the get records element. Our first get record element will get our record type ID, and it's going to be on the record type ID object with the record type name, which will be the developer name, equals installation, and it's going to use the case record. Next, we're going to configure our QID, and we're going to use again the get records element. To do so, on the group object, so the API name of the queue is actually group. We're going to use again developer name field equal high priority installation, and the high priority installation API I get from the queue, the two queues we created earlier. Here is the one for the medium-low priority installation, and can be found in the same place as the high priority installation. After we configure the high priority installation, we will simply copy the get record element and rename the element to reflect the low medium priority QID, and we're going to use again the developer name equals medium low priority installation API from API name from the Q low medium low installation we created. After we configure the create high priority case assignment element, and we have added it to the new case collection, we need to take care of the medium and low priority cases, and to do so we can simply duplicate these two assignment elements, and we're going to simply rename and update the fields as necessary. And for instance, in the medium priority case, we're simply going to go and update the title and fields as needed. After we update the create medium priority case assignment element, we're going to go to the low priority assignment element and again update fields as needed. If we go down, we're going to simply update the owner ID with the queue get medium low priority queue ID. We need to make sure that our decision element is connected with our create high, medium, and low priority case, and that our new case collection elements are connected back to the loop. Lastly, we need to add one more element. We're going to create cases in bulk, and we're going to reference the new collection variable to do so.